Good morning. It's another positive start for the equity markets here in India. You have the benchmark indices gaining about 0.2%. They've actually more or less stayed above the previous close, though at some moments they've actually given up some of those gains. The broader markets are buoyant with the overall market picture and the market breadth very firmly in favor of the advances. So that is what is playing out in the broader markets. You have the mid-cap index that's gaining about 0.4%, and you have the small-cap index that's up as much as 0.6% at this juncture. A lot of the themes that have been playing out continue to play out today. So you have the public sector entities that are front and center, you have the energy theme playing out, and you also have public sector banks that are looking quite strong in trade today. As I look at the screen, you have ONGC that is on the top of the list. You have ONGC that's gaining close to 3%, UPL that's up about 2.7% or so, Britannia 1.6%, HDFC Bank, BPCL, HDFC Life are some of the other gainers. Among the losers, you have Coal India, you have JSW Steel, so quite a few of the metal names that are looking a little bit weak today. You have Divi's Laboratories, Tata Motors, SBI Life all losing ground. So what are the themes that are playing out? Globally, you have a situation where bond yields have been on the rise. In the US, the 10-year treasury is now staying consistently above 1.5%, and the latest tick was the highest since June this year, and that's an indicator that there could be some pressure on the tech stocks there. You saw a sell-off not too long back when there was a spike in bond yields. That could happen. In India, we're now turning to earnings season, and you have TCS that's going to kick things off in the IT space. In the IT space, of course, there's a lot of experts that are pointing to the mid-cap IT that could be outperformers this time around. So that's certainly something to watch out for. At the end of this week, we'll have the monetary policy decision, and that's certainly something to bear in mind. It's going to be a busy end to the week. As of now, we're trading at elevated levels. There seems to be some element of stability, but since we're at elevated levels, you could in fact see a sell-off once we reach closer to those all-time highs. It's looking okay right now with volatility cooling off even further. India VIX currently at 16.3 or thereabouts, trading much lower than it has in the recent past.